vegan nutty berry and oat slice. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then grease and line an 18 cm by 28 cm slice pan. Next, make the raspberry jam. Combine the raspberry and chia seeds in a small saucepan over medium heat. Cook stirring occasionally for 5 minutes or until the raspberries collapse and the mixture thickens. Set aside to cool. Place the almond flour, wholemeal flour, ABC spread, maple syrup and coconut oil in a food processor. Process until the mixture forms a dough. Reserve 3/4 cup of the dough and press the remaining dough over the base of the prepared pan. And bake for 10 minutes or until golden. Set aside for 10 minutes to cool. Spread the raspberry jam over the almond mixture. Then add the oats to the reserved dough mixture and use your fingertips to rub together until it resembles coarse breadcrumbs. Sprinkle over the jam. Pop in the oven and bake for 15 minutes or until the oat mixture is golden brown. Set aside in the pan to cool. Then place in the fridge for 30 minutes to chill. Cut into squares and serve with fresh raspberries. This dairy-free berry and oat slice makes the perfect afternoon treat.